Hey, just wanted to do a quick what's sold video for you guys here. I am at the skate park right now. You guys can see behind me my boys are riding their bikes at the skate park, so I thought I would also do a little multitasking and do a quick what's sold. So first two items, I sold a pair of Thomas Dean shirts. They are really nice dress shirts. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these out and about before, but yeah, two Thomas Dean shirts. They are $22.50 each plus shipping. Really nice dress shirts. $22.50 each plus $9.50 shipping. Sold those for $33. I'm sorry, $23 plus. I can't read here. Sun's too bright. Oh yeah, that's much better. Alright, so I'm going to start over because now I can see with my glasses on.
When I see other people.
So next item here is a Mizuno Hybrid golf club. It's a Utility 7 hybrid. Has a flex graphite shaft on it. Sold it for $30 plus $9.50 shipping. Next item here is an STX Shield chest protector, Shield 300. Has the heart protector on it. It's used. Sold it for $30 plus $12.50 shipping. Next item here, it's an item you guys saw in one of my last videos. It's a vintage Adidas Airline Bag. It's kind of a cream color gym duffel. Sold it for $55 plus $12.50 shipping. Let's see, next item here is a pair of Adidas QStar shoes. It's a women's trainers, size 10. Sold them for $23 plus $9.75 shipping.
There's so many people on this bank now.
Oh yeah, this J.A. Henkel's knife block I found. This was also one of my last trips, maybe second to last trip. J.A. Henkel's dark redwood knife block. Paid $6 for that. Sold it for $35 plus $14.50 shipping. Alright, so the next item here is an Anthropologie Ida Clinton trench coat. Paid about $3 for this or less at the bins. Sold it for $35 plus $9.75 shipping.
I didn't spend.
This next item here was a sale through the Global Shipping Program. It's a set of 6 Pimpernel placemats, cork placemats. Had little scenes of English villages on them. It was actually brand new in the package. I paid $4 for these at Goodwill. Sold them for $35 plus $8 shipping.
Oh yes! I did. I just hit my knee.
Alright, this next item here was a huge Fisher-Price Dinosaur. It's from Jurassic World. It was a T-Rex. It was a Light and Sound Imaginext character. Paid $3 for this at Goodwill. Sold it for $39.50 plus $29.50 shipping.
Oh my gosh.
Next item here is a Tomshu acupressure set. It's a mat and a pillow that has green spikes on it here. And you can lay down on top of it, and it has the acupressure prongs on it. Paid $2 for this at Goodwill. Sold it for $18.50 plus $7.50 shipping. Next item here was a pair of Diablo ski boots. Was a size 24.5 ski boots. Paid $10 for these, actually $8 for these at Goodwill. Sold them for $52 plus $18.75 shipping.
That's so scary.
This next little sale, I bought a package of 60 of these little Avery insertable dividers. and I've only sold a few of them, but I paid $3 for the package of 60. And here I sold a set of 2 of them for $9 plus $3.20 shipping. So that was a great little buy. I'm already in the profit on that, so anything after that first sale, but this next sale was $9 plus $3.20 shipping.
No.
Another item here is another one of those Innovator 300 bags. It's a fitness cooler. You can pack meals in it. I paid $4 for this at Goodwill and sold it for $35 plus $9.50 shipping.
I didn't look backwards.
This next sale here was a vintage Coleman kerosene lantern. Paid $14.99 for this at Salvation Army. Sold it for $88 plus $22.50 shipping.
No.
This next item here is a pair of women's Skechers shape-ups. Hopefully I am not going to get these returned. They were in pretty good condition, so sold them for $26 plus $12.50 shipping. This next item here is a pair of men's golf shoes, pair of FootJoy street golf shoes. Paid $3 for these at the bins and sold them for $22 plus $9 shipping. Okay, next one, you got it. All right, here we go, back in the sunlight here. This next pair of shoes I sold, actually a pair of boots, Boggs, Crandall, wool and rubber women's boots. Classic gray. I sold these for $40 plus $10.50 shipping. Found those at the bins. I paid $3 for those rubber boots.
I knew that was going to happen.
Or you could do it like that. All right, so this next item is a WMF Perfect. It's a 5-liter pressure cooker. I found this at the bins, only paid $3 or $4 for it, maybe less, but I sold it for $60 plus $12.50 shipping. It's a really good brand. This WMF Perfect is the name of it. It's made in Germany. If you guys ever see that out, it's certainly a bolo. I've only found 2 of these out in the wild in the last couple of years, but I've always had a really good sell-through rate on them and a decent sell price. So yeah, $3 or $4 and sold it for $60, $12.50 shipping.
Yeah, I thought you did.
Oh my God.
And all right, let's see. The last item I have here, we'll close out with a Golden Tee Golf Home Edition. This was a 2011. Jack's Pacific made this. If you guys ever find this out and about, this is one of my grails. This is probably the second time, maybe third time, but this is only second time I've sold it. The other one we kept to play at our house. But Golden Tee Golf, it's a home arcade edition, has the rollerball on it. Paid $3 for this at Goodwill. It was new, brand new, factory sealed. Sold it for $124.50 plus $12 shipping.
Fine.
There you go. So yeah, that's just a few of my sales here I've had the last week or two, and appreciate you guys stopping by. If you would, just like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.